Hi, I'm Peter Haddock and I'm here with Brendan Morgan for RMG Groundworks. Last time I saw you and the team, it was a big AGTEK moment. You had just won a project. Now it's still going as a big house building project. And today you're here to learn the latest stuff that is being put into the AGTEK system, but also the vision for the future. Yeah. But the big news from you guys is you've just won some other big projects thanks to AGTEK, haven't you?
Absolutely, Peter. It's been refreshing. When we last met, we obviously talked about how we brought AGTEK into the business. We found a champion to be able to take that forward. We've been successful in winning 4 new projects, which,
Wow.
And AGTEK's been a part to play in that. It's great to be here today. It's quite interesting because us as a business, we have to evolve now with Hexagon and AGTEK because as you can clearly see here today, this is evolving and it's constantly moving and improving. Yeah. So we have to move with the times and the digital industry, which Hexagon brings along.
Yeah, and I think what's really interesting is the fact that you've taken AGTEK to win work, but you've also taken this real approach to 3D modelling and the use of machine control as well from Leica Geosystems, which marries all together. It's a simple process, isn't it?
It is, yeah. And you know, some of the things which Bill Corp brought into the seminar this morning was the drones reveal software. That's something that I know Rob is particularly interested in. I've brought Jack, our champion, who is the AGTEK champion for the business, along, and he's very excited for the drones. So that's definitely something that we're going to be looking for in the future. So yeah, it's really exciting future for everyone, really.
It is, and I think what's really great to see is how the business has grown. You know, you were saying that big project we're talking about was a real step change, you know, in size and scale, wasn't it, for you? And now you've got the confidence and obviously the ability to show the delivery that you're bringing on 4 new projects and other projects that are a bigger scale, and the business has grown, hasn't it?
It has. It's been very rewarding. You know, it's come with a lot of hard work, and the team's efforts have been phenomenal. AGTEK has been, like I said earlier, been a key player in our business growth. It now enables us to be as adaptive and, you know, being able to deliver our projects on time, cost, and within budget, which is very important. As you said, we've won 4 new projects at the start of this year, which is fantastic. You know, the business is continually to growing, but we're keeping it sustainable, so we don't want to be too busy and effectively becoming busy fools. Yep. But it was work that we needed to win, and thanks to the support from AGTEK, we continue to keep growing and keep bringing our repeat business in.
And what has actually been some of the feedback from those clients that took a punt on you because of AGTEK for the big project? What's the feedback been like? Because it's still ongoing, isn't it, the project?
Yeah, it's interesting because, you know, I think we are one of 2 companies in South Wales, well, Wales as a whole, that use AGTEK at the minute, which I'm sure that'll change. But we go to pre-tender meetings and, you know, we demonstrate our earthwork models on the big screen, having pre-tendered interviews, you know, and we demonstrate what our material management plan is going to be, what our strategy is to do the project, you know, and that gives the client the confidence they need in us as a subcontractor. So we're able to demonstrate that to them, and it puts us in the winning seat, basically.
Fantastic. Well, it's great to see the winning seat getting bigger and bigger, Brendan. Great to see you here as well, continuing to invest in your own skills about how to use the system, and also, you know, being here with what's turning out to be a bit of a community now of AGTEK users, isn't there? Lots of people now bringing in a full room there of people that are now using it and looking, you know, forward with it, isn't it?
Absolutely, yeah. You know, we've just stopped for lunch, and you know, we outside on the chat with some of the engineers, quantity surveyors, estimators, all out there talking about how they're dealing with things, any issues they're having, how we're overcoming it. You know, a couple of engineers out there who fly drones talking to me how they could quite easily support us if we didn't have a facility, which, you know, creates that community for us. Which is what all this is all about, really, isn't it? And I believe this is the first community grouping of AGTEK, which is great for us as a business. And yeah, may long it continue, hopefully, and start growing for AGTEK.
Well, it's great to see you again. It was about time I popped down to Wales, see how you're getting on. Cheers.
Cheers.